Welcome back to the Porsche Exchange's journey through the 2024 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. We're thrilled to bring you the latest update on our 1975 911 Targa restoration project. In our last installment, we witnessed the meticulous paint process expertly handled by Steve and his team at North Shore Auto Rebuilders. We're delighted to share what they've done for us so far, a truly incredible job. Inside our workshop, our certified Porsche technicians have wasted no time diving into the intricate task of installing our new wiring harness. Their dedication ensures that every detail is meticulously attended to, setting the stage for a restoration of unparalleled quality. Meanwhile, our attention turns to the heart of the 911 Targa, its interior. At Stitch Girl Incorporated, renowned for their unparalleled craftsmanship and expertise, our interior is undergoing a transformation worthy of its prestigious heritage. Specializing in Porsche restorations, Stitch Girl is more than a local business. They're a cornerstone of the Midwest Porsche community. Each piece of leather is cut and hand-laid with precision, a testament to their dedication to perfection. As we strive for perfection in every aspect of this restoration, we're confident that Stitch Girl's expertise will bring our 911 Targa back to its original glory, as if it just rolled off the factory floor. Join us as we continue to navigate this journey towards automotive excellence, leaving no stone unturned in our pursuit of perfection. Stay tuned for the next exciting chapter in our restoration saga. The Porsche Exchange invites you to witness history in the making.